Hi, my name is Nicole Kurtz, and this is my interactive advanced concept presentation number 2. So for this presentation, we made lava lamps. What we needed was a clear bottle, water, oil, food coloring, and an Alka-Seltzer. So now I'm going to show you me doing the experiment. Hi, my name is Nicole Kurtz, and this is my week 2 interactive advanced concept presentation. So we're making a lava lamp. In my bottle, I already have my fourth of the way filled with water. And now I'm going to add oil to it. Now I'm going to add my 8 drops of food coloring to it. And now I'm going to add the Alka-Seltzer tablets to it. It said to add 1 or 2 for better results, so I'm going to go ahead and add. They also said that you could reuse it, which I thought was really cool. I'm going to break it into a few pieces. You can see it a little bit forming the bubbles, the lava lamp bubbles. So as you can see, the experiment didn't really work that well for me, but first off, I'm going to explain what happened during the experiment. So oil and water, they don't mix. The water sinks to the bottom. Oil doesn't mix with the water, so the oil breaks into droplets instead of mixing with the water, and the water is heavier than the oil, so the water sinks to the bottom. The Alka-Seltzer reacts with the water to create the carbon dioxide gas. And these bubbles that are the carbon dioxide gas, they attach to the colored water and then they float to the surface. And once they float to the surface, they're supposed to explode and pop, and then the color is supposed to sink back to the bottom, and it's just supposed to keep going in a cycle. So, why didn't it work well? First off, it might have been because I used canola oil instead of using vegetable oil. Second, I used an off-brand Alka-Seltzer, so that might have also been a reason to why it didn't work as well. And next time I do it, I might also try to use a glass jar with a screw-on lid instead of using a plastic jar, just to see if it had something to do with the plastic versus the glass. So as you could see in my experiment, whenever it created the bubbles, but once the bubbles rose to the top, they didn't really pop. They kind of just sat there. And I think I'd also try using a little bit more food coloring just to see if maybe more food coloring I'd be able to see the bubbles actually explode and then drop the color to the bottom. Thank you.